It's a very proud moment for India because the ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, have successfully launched the Chandrayaan 3 at 2:35 p.m. on 14 July 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Center, Sriharikota.
Chandrayaan 3 is India's ambitious lunar mission following the footsteps of its predecessors, Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 3 is India's second attempt to achieve a successful landing on the moon's surface and to conduct scientific experiments and gather valuable data.
This mission focuses on the learning of the Chandrayaan's moon's geology, meteorology, and the exosphere, which will contribute our understanding about the moon's origin and its exosphere.
The main objective of the mission Chandrayaan 3 is to demonstrate a safe and soft landing on the lunar surface, to demonstrate the rover or the moon, and to conduct scientific experiments.
Through this mission, India aims to showcase its technology powers, scientific capabilities, and its commitment to the scientific capabilities. Due to this mission, many new generation can get inspiration to take their career in the science, technology, and engineering.
Now here is Tejaswini and Lavanya to give you information about the importance of Chandrayaan 3.
Do you know about the importance of space missions? So, the importance of space missions are disaster management, telemedicine, navigation, reconnaissance mission, improving the healthcare, protecting our planet and environment, creating scientific and technical jobs, improving day-to-day life, enhancing safety on Earth, sparking your interest in science, cooperating countries around the world, and last one is making scientific discoveries. Thank you.
So now here is Parth, Manasvi, and Raj from class 8 and 7 to give you information about Chandrayaan 3.
Our Prime Minister, the late Atal Bihari Vajpayee, has announced the Chandrayaan program in 2003. Chandrayaan 1 was launched from Satish Dhawan Center, Sriharikota in 2008, but it crashed near the lunar south pole, confirming the water molecules on the moon's surface. Chandrayaan 2 was also launched from Satish Dhawan Center at Sriharikota. It was launched in 2019, and while orbiting the moon, the Vikram lander was separated in 100 km per second in orbitals. And however, communication from the lander to the ground station was lost in altitude of 2.1 km on moon surface.
On July 14, 2023, ISRO sent Chandrayaan 3 successfully on the moon. The project manager of Chandrayaan 3 was Mr. Viram Uzbek, and the main scientist of Chandrayaan 3 was Dr. Ritu Srivastava, who popularly known as India's rocket woman and is one of the senior scientists at ISRO. It's said to be a helm of Chandrayaan 3 mission. It may look like an all-male mission due to the presence of men in top leadership roles. However, that's not the case. Around 54 female engineers and scientists had worked directly on this mission.
Now take a look on weight of Chandrayaan 3. It is propulsion model. It has 2,148 kg weight. It is lander model Vikram. It has 1,752 kg. Rover is inside of the lander. It has 26 kg weight. The total weight of Chandrayaan 3 is 3,900. Thank you.
Now here is Saili, Amrit and Siddharth to give you information about the various components of Chandrayaan 3.
Chandrayaan 3 consists of the main parts: spacecraft, lander, and rover consists in it, and propulsion model. A spacecraft is a vehicle designed to fly in the outer space. It consists of three main components like propulsion model, lander, and rover considered in it. A propulsion model does not land on the moon. It transports lander and rover to the moon. It remains at a parking orbit of 100 km, and thus the lander and rover are transported on launch on the moon.
The lander model, which is used in Chandrayaan 3 named Vikram, contains the rover. The lander is equipped with the advanced technology to ensure the proper soft landing of the rover. After the touchdown, the lander will remain stationary at the landing site while the rover will explore the moon.
The rover, which is used in the Chandrayaan-3 named Pragyan, it is expected to make a number of important scientific discoveries, including the composition of the lunar surface, the presence of the water ice in the lunar soil, and the history of the lunar impact. Rovers can take pictures and collect the information about the moon by taking temperature reading, rock and soil samples. Thank you.
Now here is Aditya and Raj to tell you about the difference between Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 and 3.
The difference between Chandrayaan 2 and 3. Both missions aim to study the lunar surface and take scientific data, but Chandrayaan 3 specifically focuses on safe and soft landing and collect on-site chemical analysis.
Chandrayaan 2 used the GSLV MK3, whereas Chandrayaan 3 will also launch by the vehicle Mark 3.
Chandrayaan 2 consists of Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover, but Chandrayaan 3 has a separate lander module, propulsion module, and a rover.
Chandrayaan 3 has a payload called Shape, which is equipped with the propulsion module, but Chandrayaan 2 did not have a specific payload.
Chandrayaan 3 has two lander hazard detection and avoidance cameras, whereas Chandrayaan 2 only had one such camera, and the cameras in Chandrayaan 3 have been designed more robust.
In Chandrayaan 2, Vikram lander experienced a crash landing, resulting in the partial mission failure. But in Chandrayaan 3 aims to rectify this by ensuring the successful and soft landing on the lunar surface.
The orbiter from Chandrayaan 2 will be repurposed and used for Chandrayaan 3, thus saving cost and resources.
Chandrayaan 2 will take around 48 days to reach to the moon, but Chandrayaan 3 will take 40 days to reach the moon.
Thank you.
Now here is Prem and Shlok to give you information about the Chandrayaan 3 to reach the moon.
On the first hand, the NASA's Apollo 11 takes only 4 days to reach on the moon. But why did Chandrayaan 3 take 40 days to reach on the moon? I know that Apollo 11 used a direct trajectory known as transfer injection to reach the moon. The powerful Saturn V launch vehicle propelled Apollo spacecraft into Earth's orbit, followed by a single engine burn. It directly sent the Apollo spacecraft towards the moon, enabling a swift journey within a few days. Now, Prem, you tell me why Chandrayaan 3 will take 40 days to reach on the moon and explain its path to reach the moon.
In comparison to Chandrayaan, we will follow different trajectory to reach moon. The mission employs a series of Earth orbits and engine gradually turns to increase the power of spacecraft. This approach the accommodator to use relatively very less powerful vehicle launch of geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle GLSL Mark 3, which possesses a lower payload capacity as compared to the Saturn V. Consequently, a more gradual trajectory was chosen to optimize this mission within this launch vehicle. Now here are lead school girls from class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th to give you the information about the women and their important role behind this mission.
Hello. Hello, I am Ritu, the director of Chandrayaan 3. I have served as Deputy Operation for Mars Orbital Mission. I am known as Rocket Women of India. I am proud to be a part of Indian Space and Research Organization. Thank you. Hello, I am Anuradha. I was appointed as the director of Geosynchronous Satellite. I made a group of 20 members and I
women of ISRO. I was a part of 23 members Indian research team in Antarctica in 2016. At the age of 56, I was only woman in my team and spent more than 403 days in Antarctica facing unique challenges. Thank you. Hi, I am Momita Datta. I am working at the Space Application Center ISRO as an engineer and scientist. I have expertise in the development and testing of IR sensors, payloads, opticals such as camera. I was a part of the team Mars Orbiter mission in 2014 to put a probe in Mars orbit. I contribute significantly in the development of one of the 5 pillars of Mars Orbiter mission. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am Nandini Harina. I was also called as the rocket scientist of ISRO in Bengaluru.
Hello, I am Nakshi. I have led a team of nearly 500 scientists at ISRO as a system engineer. My name came to the forefront after the success of Chandrayaan mission. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kirti Khoda. I am a computer scientist working at ISRO. My main function is to place the satellite in correct orbit. I am a part of team who keeps close eyes on satellites and others' mission. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tessie Thomas. I am known as India's Agni Lady. I have played a crucial role in the development of Agni 4 and Agni 5 missiles. I have worked for Defense Research Development Organization. I feel proud that my contribution has earned India a special place among all countries with intercontinental ballistic missiles. Thank you.
Now here is Akash Supre from class 4 to give you information about Chandrayaan 3.
आप सभी को सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम आकाश अर्जुन चोपड़े है। मैं आज आपको चंद्रयान 3 LPM-3 M4 के बारे में बताऊंगा। हमारे देश के अंतरिक्ष संस्थान इसरो ने 14 जुलाई 2023 को सतीश धवन अंतरिक्ष केंद्र श्रीहरिकोटा से 2:35 पर चंद्रयान 3 को लॉन्च किया। चंद्रयान 3 के रोवर का नाम प्रज्ञान है और उसके लैंडर का नाम विक्रम है। चंद्रयान 3 के इंजन का नाम CE-20 क्रायोजेनिक इंजन है। चंद्रयान 3 चांद पर जाकर वहां की तस्वीरें खींचेगा, वहां की मिट्टी की जांच करेगा, वहां पर मौजूद खनिज खोजेगा, वहां के वातावरण की रिपोर्ट देगा, वहां के भूकंप नापेगा, चांद के केमिकल का विश्लेषण करेगा, चांद पर पानी की तलाश करेगा। चंद्रयान 3 चांद के दक्षिणी ध्रुव पर 23 अगस्त 2023 को सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग करेगा। हम उन इसरो के वैज्ञानिकों को सलाम करते हैं जिन्होंने हमारे भारत देश का नाम पूरी दुनिया में रोशन कर दिया है। धन्यवाद।
In this way, each school students present an activity on the Chandrayaan 3 and give information about the Chandrayaan 2. Thank you.
Can you start?